Hello and welcome to the first episode of World of Warships. I'm excited to show this. I hope you enjoy. So, this animation is probably the best animation. The company that made this game are masters, trust me. Let's start. Now guys, this is my ship, built in 1999. It's from the German army. The length is 146 meters and width to 26.8 meters, power 22,000. That is strong. That is strong. Yeah? You like my joke? Okay, estimated waiting time 15 seconds. Let's see if they're correct. And they are. So I am stuck in the base, the person on the top. I like to call myself Star Wars names. Countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start the battle. To the enemy base we go. I spot something weird on my radar. Wait. Yep. We spotted the enemies. You'll sink before we win. Hopefully. I mean, obviously. Okay. Now we need to help. We can't just stand there. Let's destroy some ships now. Look at that little puny ship. Too bad that it will sink. Okay. Wait, what is that ship? An enemy ship just bashed into me. Hey, what do you think yourself doing? What do you think yourself doing? Yeah. Blast that ship. Boom. Hey, now who's shooting me? Hey, I see you. You can't hide from me. You could hide from that puny ship that you have, but not from me. I'm the big ship. Disappeared into thin air. Another ship like Titanic. Wait a minute. We're in Antarctica. Sink, you Titanic. It's right behind me. Hey, don't run away. Don't run away. Come back. Fight like a ship. Fight like a ship. Hey, he destroyed our ship, our ally. Hey, stop running.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Exactly, why are you running? He's too far to hit. That's bad. Anyways, let's go to the enemy base. No, dodge the rockets. No, he hit me. Hey, why did you hit me, man? It's not funny. For that will destroy you. Come here. Stop running. Don't run like your Titanic friend. Come here. He missed. Oh my days, that was such a clean shot, but sadly he missed. Okay. Nobody behind me. I spot nothing on the radar behind me, but I spot something right in front of me. No, he burnt the ship. No. Revenge time. We have to explode this ship. I missed. Come on. Yes, hit. Yes. Yes. One more shot, one more shot. Boom! He got wrecked. Another one. Let's see if we could get this one. No, I missed. He spotted me. Boom! Drown! Yeah, drown! Oh, we captured the enemy base! Yes! Yes! Victory! We win! Now guys, if you enjoyed the episode, please give a like and subscribe. It will really help. Thank you, and I'll see you later. Bye!